Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are running a Shopify store, whether it's dropshipping or your own inventory, returns and refunds are part of the game. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to handle refunds and returns inside Shopify step by step without hurting your brand or profits. First of all, set up a clear refund policy. This helps reduce confusion, prevents abuse, and builds customer trust. Then go to Shopify admin dashboard, click settings. From the left side bar, click policies. Under refund and return policies section, write clear terms like how long do customer have to return, what items are non-refundable, do they do they need to cover shipping. Then click publish. Here's how to manually issue a refund when a customer requests one. Go to order section from your Shopify dashboard. Click on the order you want to refund from here. Click refund in the top right. Wait a minute. For example, Shopify refund. Like that. From orders, then all orders, then click the refund and Shopify will return your payment to the customer. Refund timing. Credit cards 5 to 10 days, 10 business days. PayPal or Shop usually faster. Shopify fees, you won't get those back, but it's worth it to keep the customer happy. Now let's talk about returns. When the customer sends the item back, option 1, manual return process. Ask the customer to email you with their order number, given them a return address, yours or your suppliers. Ask for tracking information. Once you get the item, inspect it, then process the refund. Or use a refund return apps like Aftership, Return Center. Aftership returns and exchange, or loop returns. Like that. Or Returnly. I recommend the Aftership Return Center and Loop Returns app. This allows customers to submit return requests on your site. No emails, no spreadsheets. If you are getting a lot of orders, you can automate some of this return and refund process. Tips: add a returns page to your website with a form. Use Shopify Flow to auto approve low cost refunds. Offer store creditor exchanges instead of refunds. Also consider offering return protection or extended guarantees for higher priced products. Now, final tip for handling returns professionally. Here are a few tips to reduce refund related stress. Respond quickly to refund emails. It builds trust. Keep a friendly tone even if the customer is upset. Track why people return items, wrong size or damage, etc. Update your product descriptions or sizing guides to reduce returns. Offer partial refunds if only part of the return is affected. If an item is cheap and shipping it back is too costly, just refund and let the customer keep it. Saves time and builds loyalty. So first of all, you need to add a refund or return policy from your settings. You can use the ChatGPT for prompt. Go to ChatGPT and write a prompt like that. Write a return and refund policy for Shopify store. ChatGPT will write a return policy for your store. Just copy the return policy and paste them into your store. You can make it short, like again write uh, more short, or use the text. Just copy it from here, paste here, and add your email address here. You can change anything from here, like your delivery dates, email address, URL, etc. Then click publish. So that's it. If this and that's how you handle Shopify returns and refunds, all its returns to right way. Make it smooth, respectful, and fast, and you will turn frustrated buyers into repeat customers. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.